Insuring the land. All this, what one could still gesture at with a sweep of an arm. Coppery stretches of sand flats, gel-like pools of water, asterisked by slender birds. Hems of hills ringed with stands of stalwart green. Thickets of greenbrier, cedar, and pine. Salt marsh cordgrass across the estuary. We want to gather them in, as if to hold, as if we could. Each ruffled frond and call in the softer hours, each speckled staff of sea ox-eye and goldenrod. Insurance is the word we use for the fear of risk underlining every desire, knowing as we do of war's broad mantle, storm surges that breach the reefs and barriers, forcing their way into every box of keepsakes in the basement, roofs that cave in from the unrelenting sorrows of rain. We're always paying to underwrite the cost of coming tragedies, the cost of restoration of these habitats, paying with coin, with sand-castled futures of human and non-human beings not yet even born.